Okay. Today we'll start with the fourth chapter of the quadratic equation. Yes, this is the first one I am starting for 10 CBSE mathematics. Okay. The very first exercise 4.1. Okay. The very first question is check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. So what are quadratic equations? So if a equation having highest power as 2, then it is called as quadratic equation. That's it, nothing else. Okay. So we'll start with the very first question. What is it? The first one. We'll draw a line. What is the first one? X plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. Okay. So when we will open the bracket a plus b the whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b the whole square? As a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Therefore this can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square 2x minus 6. Okay. So plus 2x will get cancelled. We have x square plus 1 minus 6 will come here and become plus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Do we have index as 2? Therefore as index is 2, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So this was the first one. Okay, I'll erase this part. You can take a screenshot and move further. The second question. Okay, what is the second question? X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 bracket 3 minus x. Okay, if you don't put bracket to minus 2, it is okay. So we have x square minus 2x. Minus 2 into 3 it is 6 minus minus plus 2x. So x square minus 2x plus 2x will become minus 2x minus 6 will become plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Again, as index is 2 or degree of the polynomial is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now I erase this and do the third one. Third one we have x minus 2 bracket x minus 1 x plus 1 x minus 2 x plus 1 x minus 1 and x plus 3. So when I will open the bracket, first term multiplied by whole bracket, x multiplied by x plus 1. This is the way we open the brackets. So or multiply the brackets, x multiplied by whole bracket, and the second term minus 2 multiplied by whole bracket. Here also x multiplied by whole bracket minus 1 multiplied by whole bracket. So x into x is x square, x into 1 is x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equal to x into x is x square, x into 3 is 3x, minus 1 into x is minus 1x, minus 1 into 3 plus 3 is minus 3. Okay, so we have plus x square and plus x square at the LHS and RHS. So plus x square will get cancelled. We have x minus 2x, so it is plus 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 is minus x minus 2. 3x minus 1x is 2x minus 3. Okay, so we will take x term this side and numbers this side. So we have minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2x plus x. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3x plus x is 2x plus x is 3x. So we have 1 as there, our order is 1, therefore order or index as index is 1, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so this was the third one. Take the screenshot, I will do the fourth one. What is the fourth one? We have x minus 3, 2x plus 1, x into x plus 5. Okay. So first term multiply by whole bracket, x multiply by 2x plus 1 minus 3 multiply by 2x plus 1. X into x, x square, x into 5, 5x. So 2 into x is 2x square, x into 1 is x, 3 into 2 is 6x, okay, minus 3 ones is 3, x square plus 5x, okay. I will cross check it, x multiplied by whole bracket minus 3 multiplied by whole bracket, here is nothing, x into x, x square, 5 into x, 5x. So 2x into x is 2x square, x into 1 is x, minus 3 into 2 is 6x, minus plus minus 3 ones are 3. So 2x square minus x square, okay, plus x, sorry, minus 6 plus 1, okay, minus 6x plus 1x is minus 5x, okay, minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Okay, we have 5x, 5, but we cannot cancel as their signs are different. So we will take each and every term this side. I think some mistake. I have done it. 1 minute. 2x square. 1x minus 6x is minus 5x minus 3. Okay. X square plus 5x as it is. Now I will take each and every term this side. So 2x square minus x square minus 5x minus 5x minus 5x and minus 3 is equal to, each and every term is on the left hand side. So nothing is remaining in the RHS. So it will be 0. 2x square minus x square is x square minus 5x is minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes. Now as the index is 2, as it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so this was the fourth one. Now we'll do the fifth one. What is the fifth question? 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 bracket x minus 3. So 2x minus 1 bracket x minus 3, x plus 5 bracket x minus 1. So first term multiply by whole bracket, 2x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3, x into x minus 1 and plus 5 into x minus 1. Okay, so 2x into x is 2x square, 2 3s are 6x, minus 1 into x is minus 1x, minus 1 minus 3 is plus 3, x into x is x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. Okay, so plus x square will come this side, 2x square minus x square. Okay, before taking each and every term this side, I will simplify the like terms first. Like terms means what? Having x and so 6x minus 1x is minus 7x plus 3 x square as it is plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4x, as greater number is 5, so plus 5 minus 1 is 4x minus 5. So 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 minus 5 will come this side and plus 5. So see, this x square I have taken in the left hand side, 4x also in left hand side, minus 5 is also left hand side. So 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 7 minus 4 is minus addition, minus 11 plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so this was the fifth one. Now I will do the sixth one. Okay, what is the sixth question? Sixth question is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to a square minus 2ab. See, I will write the formula for you all. A minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2 into a into b dot over here is multiplication plus b square. Okay. So I have x square plus 3x plus 1. X square 2 2s are 4x plus 4. X square gets cancelled. So 3x will come this side, 4x will come this side. 3x plus 4x is equal to 4 minus 1. 7x is equal to 3. So as index is 1, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, as index is 1, it is not a, index should be 2, then only it is a quadratic equation. Okay, take the screenshot. I will do the seventh one. What is the seventh one? X plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x x square minus 1. Okay, so you have learned the formula of a plus b the whole cube in your 9th standard chapter number 1. Okay, so a plus b the whole square. See, I write the formula over here. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Okay, so this is the formula. So a plus b the whole cube. So a cube, that is x cube, plus 3 a square, that is x square, into b plus 3 a, that is x, b square, that is 2 square, plus b cube, 2 cube is 8. Okay, so x cube plus 3 2s are 6x square plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, x cube plus 3 2s are 6x square, 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x plus 2 cube is 8. Okay, and in the equal to sign, sorry, on the right hand side we have x square minus 1. When I will open the bracket, it is 2x cube minus 2x into 1 is minus 2x. 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, we will take all the terms this side. So x cube minus 2x cube. Okay, rest all the terms as it is, plus 6x square plus 12x minus 2x, because both the terms are x, right terms. So plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so it is minus x cube, that is minus 1, plus 1 minus 2 will give me what? Minus 1. Therefore it is minus 1 over here, plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So here it is x cube. So index is 3. Therefore, as index is 3, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, index or highest degree or degree of the polynomial, you can say. If the degree of polynomial is 2, then only we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so I will start with the next one, 8th one. Okay, so last part of the, means there are 2 parts. So this is the 8th question, last part of the first. Okay, that is the 8th one. We have x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 x minus 2 the whole cube. Okay, so x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. A minus b the whole cube is, should I write the formula over here? That would be helpful, right? First I use the formula as a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is as it is, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube, that is 2 cube is 8. Okay, or I will write 2 cube. In the next step I will write 8. So it would be better for you to understand. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 as it is, x cube as it is, 3 2s are 6x square, 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x minus 8. So plus x cube gets cancelled. I will take all the like terms together. We have 4x square minus 6x square. 4x square minus will come here and become plus 6x square. Minus x plus 12 will become minus 12x. Plus 1 minus 8 will become plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 2x square, 6x square minus 4x square is 2x square, minus x minus 12 is minus 13x, plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so yes, as degree of the equation, degree of the equation is 2, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, you can write it like this, or you can write the index of the polynomial is 2, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Okay. In the next question, we need to form or frame a quadratic equation. Okay. We will be given some information. This is the first one. I will read the question for you first. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Means length is related to breadth. Okay. For example, I will take one question. Okay. Yutika is 3 years elder than Yuvraj. Okay, what I have taken? Yutika is 3 years elder than Yuvraj. So to know the Yutika's age, I should know first Yuvraj's age. If Yuvraj is 10, then Yutika will be 3 years elder, that is 10 plus 3. Okay. So first of all, I should know the second component. Okay. So what is given over here? Length is something breadth. Okay. So first we will take let breadth of the plot be x. Breadth of the plot is x. Therefore, length will be, what will be the length? Length is, or length will be 1 more. 1 more means 1 plus. 1 more than what? Twice means double. Twice matlab kya? Double. Twice its breadth. So twice breadth is x. Its breadth. So this is the breadth and this is the length. And we know that if it is a rectangle, area is equal to what? Area is equal to length into breadth. Okay? We'll write over here length into breadth is equal to area. Okay? Length is equal to 1 plus 2x. Breadth is equal to x. And area is given, it is 528. When I will open the bracket, x into 1 is x x into 2x is 2x square and b 528. This is the area given. You should write the quadratic equation standard form. Standard form means what? First of all, you should write the square term. That is, I will write it as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Square term, then linear term, then constant term. Okay? So, I will write 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So, this is the quadratic equation we are asked to form. Okay. So, the second sum is product of two consecutives. Now, what is consecutive? Consecutive मतलब एक के बाद 7 के बाद क्या आता है 8 के बाद क्या आता है it is 9. Okay. If you are asked this consecutive even number, so 8 के बाद 9 नहीं क्या आएगा 10 के बाद क्या आएगा 11 नहीं 12. Okay. If you are asked to find consecutive odd numbers, 7 के बाद 9 11. तो यहाँ पर कुछ बोला है क्या? Is it given that consecutive odd or consecutive even numbers? No, it is just consecutive positive integers. Okay, two consecutives. So I'll take one integer be x. Let one integer be x. Therefore, other will be. See, integer is nothing but number. If it is 10, so next number will be plus 1. If it is 12, one integer, the first integer is 12, the other will be 12 plus 1. So our one integer is x, therefore the other will be x plus 1. Okay? Now what is the question? You are asked to find the product. Product मतलब क्या? Multiplication, that is x multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 306. So when I will open the bracket, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Got it? So this is the quadratic equation. Just frame the equation. Okay. The third question is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Means इसका मतलब क्या है पता है क्या? रोहन की मम्मी रोहन से 26 years बड़ी है. Okay? Do we know the Rohan's age? No. So we'll take let present age. Whenever we are doing the sum of ages, take present age of Rohan be x. Okay? Let the present age of Rohan be x. Therefore, mother's age will be x plus 26. Okay, as she is 26 years older than Rohan. Now, product of their ages just multiplied. But wait, what is given? Product of their ages 3 years from now. मतलब 3 साल बाद. Therefore, after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3, mother's age what is mother's present age? X plus 26 plus 3. This plus 3 because of after 3 years. So this will become x plus 20. Now what is given? Product of their ages is 360. That is x plus 3 into x plus 29. X plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. So x multiplied by x plus 29. 3 multiplied by x plus 29 is equal to 360. So x into x is x square. 29 into x is 29x, 3 into x is 3x, and 29 into 3 is 87 is equal to 360. So x square as it is 29 plus 3 is 32x plus 87 minus 360. So x square plus 32x. Now 360 minus 87 will be 273. Okay, minus 273. Okay, so this is the subtraction between this, and as 360 is the bigger number, so we have this quadratic equation. Okay. Okay, the fourth question is, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. So distance is, total distance is total distance is 480 kilometers. Okay, and it is traveling at a uniform speed. We don't know about the speed, so we'll take let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. See, try to understand what is x kilometer per hour. For example, train is running at a speed of 100 kilometer per hour. Means what? Per hour means 1 hour. In 1 hour, train will cover 100 kilometers. If train is traveling 2 hours, so we have in 1 hour 100, in 2 hours it will be 200. If train is traveling 3 hours, traveling for 3 hours, so it will cover 100, 100 and 100. So it will be 100 plus 100 plus 100, so it will be covering 300 kilometers. Okay, so the speed is calculated per hour. So we don't know the speed over here. It is x kilometer per hour. Okay, so before reading the question further, please try to understand. Okay, this is point A and this is point B. Say this is Virar and this is Churchgate. Okay, if train is traveling at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour, okay, in 1 hour train is traveling at 60 kilometer per hour. So distance between Virar and Churchgate is 60 kilometers. Okay, speed is also 60 kilometers, distance is also 60 kilometers. So if train is traveling for 1 hour, then it will surely reach from A to point B, from Virar to Churchgate in 1 hour. Okay, because it is traveling at 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, but if the motorman reduces the speed, अगर वो स्पीड कम करता है 60 किलोमीटर के स्पीड की जगह वो 40 किलोमीटर, बारिश का मौसम है, ओके, 40 किलोमीटर की स्पीड से चलाता है गाड़ी. स्पीड उसने क्या, इधर कितना घंटा लगा उसको, 1 घंटा लगा. ओके, डिस्टेंस 60 किलोमीटर था, स्पीड भी 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर था, तो पर आवर मतलब 1 घंटे में 60 किलोमीटर कवर, कुछ टेंशन नहीं. लेकिन अगर उसने स्पीड कम कर दिया, ओके, इफ द स्पीड इज रिड्यूस्ड, तो ए से बी तक जाने को, मतलब विरार से चर्चगेट तक जाने को, उसको 1 घंटे से ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा कि कम टाइम लगेगा? ऑब्वियसली स्पीड स्लो चला रहा है, तो 1 घंटे से क्या लगेगा, ज्यादा लगेगा. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इफ द स्पीड इज लेस, टाइम कंज्यूम विल बी ग्रेटर. ओके, एंड इफ स्पीड इज मोर, टाइम कंज्यूम विल बी लेस. ओके, so just taking that into attention, if the speed has been 8 km per hour less, okay, first of all I will frame the equation for this. Total distance is 480 kilometers, speed is x. We know that speed is equal to distance upon time, so time will go there. Time is equal to distance is 480, okay, and speed, time distance upon speed. So time is equal to distance is 480 kilometers and speed is x at the initial stage, according to this information which I have taken. Total distance to 480 kilometer cover करना है, and I consider that speed of the train be x. Now in the second condition, it is given that if speed is reduced by 8 kilometers, so again taking this, okay, distance is the same, 8 kilometers less, then it would have been taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Distance is same. Distance is 480 kilometers and speed is 8 kilometer per hour less. पहले स्पीड था x, अभी 8 से स्पीड क्या हो गया, कम हो गया. ओके, सो टाइम टेकन विल बी डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. तो इधर स्पीड कम है, इधर स्पीड ज्यादा है कंपैरेटिवली, तो किधर ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, इधर कम टाइम लगेगा, इधर ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. बराबर. अगर इसको मैंने डिवाइड किया, ओके, सो टाइम इधर समझो 8 घंटा आया, तो इधर क्या आएगा, ऑब्वियसली ज्यादा आएगा. 8 से ज्यादा, 10 आएगा तो पता है, पर 8 से ज्यादा आएगा. वेरी क्लियर. तो इधर बड़ा वैल्यू आने वाला है और इधर छोटा वैल्यू आने वाला है. दिस वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर एंड दिस वैल्यू इज स्मॉलर. हाउ कुड यू नो दैट? बिकॉज स्पीड इज लेस. अगर स्पीड कम रहेगा तो ऑब्वियसली ये टाइम इस टाइम से ज्यादा रहेगा. एंड व्हेनेवर वी आर सबट्रैक्टिंग इट, ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेल यू, सी, इफ युतिका इज एल्डर देन युवराज बाय 3 years, अगर युतिका युवराज से 3 साल से बड़ी है, तो इट इज ऑब्वियस दैट युतिका का एज माइनस युवराज का एज करूंगा तो मुझे 3 मिलेगा. युतिका समझो 13 साल की रहेगी, युवराज 10 साल का रहेगा, तभी 3 मिलेगा. अगर मैंने उल्टा किया तो क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस, नेगेटिव आंसर आ जाएगा. 10 minus 13 is minus 3 आ जाएगा. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दिस इट इज क्लियर दैट दिस वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन दिस वैल्यू. डिवाइड करने के बाद इधर टाइम ज्यादा लगने वाला है और इधर टाइम कम लगने वाला है. सो व्हाट इज गिवन, इट विल टेक 3 hours more. सो this is some value that is 480 upon x minus 8. कुछ तो घंटे इधर लग रहे हैं, माइनस 480 अपॉन x, कुछ घंटे इधर लग रहे हैं. और हमें पता है इधर जितने घंटे लग रहे हैं और इधर जितने घंटे लग रहे हैं, दोनों में कितने का फर्क है, द डिफरेंस इज 3 hours. Okay, very clear. So I will try to solve it and make a proper equation. Okay, should I erase this part? So we have 480 upon x minus 8. 480 upon x is equal to 3. Okay. Now I will take 480 common in the numerator. So I am having 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x. दोनों के न्यूमरेटर में 480 था तो 480 कॉमन हो गया, is equal to 3. 480 will go there and get divided. So 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x, and we have 3 upon 480. So which can be reduced? 3 ones are 3 ones are, 3 6s are, and 0s are. Okay. So now cross multiply x into 1 x minus x minus 8. X into 1 x minus 8 into 1 x minus 8, and x minus 8 multiply by x. Okay, whenever we are cross multiplying, this multiply by this multiply by this, and denominator multiply by denominator, is equal to 1 upon 160 as it is. 160, yes, it is right. So when I will open this bracket, minus x plus 8, x into x, x square, x into 8, 8x is equal to 1 upon 160. Minus x plus x gets cancelled. Okay. So what is the equation then? What we have in the numerator? 8 upon x square minus 8x is equal to 1 upon 160. So 16 8s is 128. So 128 and 0 as it is. और ये उधर जाएगा x square minus 8x. So x square minus 8x plus will come that side 1280. So nothing is remaining over here. You can write x is equal to 0 over here also. और उधर भी लिखा तो चलेगा. And this is our quadratic equation. You are asked to form the quadratic equation. That's it. Okay.